Let your property work for you even while you sleep. Plots are silent money makers, they grow even when you sleep. At Make My Propertyz, we help you invest smart and build your legacy. So for monthly income, go for rental based properties. For long-term gains, choose appreciation or plots. That's one of the biggest questions for every investor. Hey guys, welcome back to Make My Propertyz. I'm Ankita and today we are diving into a super useful topic for every investor and home buyer: rental income versus property appreciation. Are you planning to buy a property in 2025? Then listen carefully. Should you focus on rental income or property appreciation? That's one of the biggest questions for every investor. Let's break it down with Make My Propertyz, where dream meets destiny. In real estate, there are three powerful ways to build wealth: rental income, property appreciation and plot appreciation. All are great, but the smart choice depends on your goal, budget and location growth. At Make My Propertyz, we always say, don't just buy a property, buy the right property. Appreciation means your property value increases over time. Example, buy a flat for 60 lakhs and sell it for 90 lakhs. After 5 years, 30 lakh will be profit. This happens when your property is near metro, schools, tech parks or government projects. Perfect for investors who can hold 3 to 5 years. It's not just instant, but with the right area, it's powerful. Rental income is your steady monthly cash flow a flat giving. 20,000 rent earns 2.4 lakh yearly, stable and safe. Works best in Electronic City, Whitefield, Yelahanka and Kengeri, where demand never stops. At Make My Propertyz, we believe let your property work for you even while you sleep. Now here's the hidden gem. Plot appreciation areas like Magdi Road, Nelmangla and Chandapura are booming. A DTCP and BMRDA plot can grow 30 to 40% in 3 to 5 years with new roads and metro projects. No tenants, no maintenance, just growth. Plots are silent money makers, they grow even when you sleep. Property prices are rising steadily, rental demanding is booming and plots are becoming investors' secret weapons. The smartest move, don't choose one. Balance all three, buy where you earn, rent today and get appreciation tomorrow. That's what Make My Propertyz helps you find: smart locations, solid construction and future-ready investment options in Bangalore. Example, buy a 2 BHK in Bharat Nagar for 70 lakh, rent it out for 25,000 per month. 3 lakh per year, after 5 years it worth 90 lakhs. You earn 15 lakh in rent plus 15 lakh in appreciation is equal to 30 lakh total profit. That's smart layered investment in the Make My Propertyz way. So for monthly income, go for rental based properties. For long-term gains, choose appreciation or plots. But the smartest investors combine both. At Make My Propertyz, we help you invest smart and build your legacy. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And let me know in the comments which video do you want to me cover in the next. If you are looking for any kind of properties, sites, flats or individual houses, or if you want to build your dream home with construction and interiors, feel free to call us on the number shown on your screen or visit to our office. Thank you. Bye-bye.